This is a lunch special, and for lunch we have volcano chicken noodles. Okay, it comes with this little sauce here, and it says hot, spicy sauce. That's crazy hot volcano chicken noodle.
I don't care about that there.
I know, it's gonna be a little crazy. Let's open this up. Oh dear. Ooh, that looks like blood.
Or poop.
Or poop.
Oh.
This doesn't look healthy. That's for sure.
I don't think
As much as we can. Okay. Ugh. It's like a syrup jelly.
What about
That's not very good. Okay, let's stir this up. Stir, stir, stir.
Are you sure, Dad?
Am I what?
Are you sure? It smells different.
Oh.
Yeah. No.
It does smell pretty spicy. That's what we're looking at there. All right.
Oh. That's yucky.
All right. You ready? Let's give this a go. Make my eyes water. It's a little hot. Did you girls do your makeup today? I think so.
Are you sure? It's hot, Daddy.
Yeah.
Do you need milk?
Oh my goodness.
I shouldn't eat that.
That's a spicy. Well, it's a spicy noodle. The nice thing is, their instructions were to drain the water out. So it's no soupiness, it's just straight syrupy in your noodles. Mm-hmm.
What?
Oh.
Milk is coming right up.
Oh. Oh. You alright, Lila?
Yeah.
Oh, you got my milk for me? Thank you.
Can you give me some more, please? Thank you.
Oh. It just hurts the chest.
Stop, Daddy.
No, I have to do this. It's on my lips. Ooh, I want to lick them again. I will say, the flavor is good. Oh, it'll burn your lips right off.
But the smell.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the smell.
You gotta finish this.
Why do you have to finish it, Dad?
Because I'm a man. It hurts. It hurts really bad.
I do not like the smell of it. Yeah, I do not. Are you going?
That's some hot chicken noodle soup. Didn't taste like chicken. Oh, my nose is running. All right. If you have a short period of time to eat, to eat lunch. You need to eat really fast. And get this. Oh, there it is. Here's our lunch for today.